Hey guys, MotorCarNut here. Today we're talking about head bolts and why you should never use torque to yield head bolts, or basically any type of head bolt, but torque to yield more importantly, is because they are one use only. And perfect example, I'll show you. If you look at these two, they just came out of the engine. This one is longer. If I line it up and you look, you see that? That's almost like 1/8 of an inch longer. That's crazy. That's how much they stretched. They were still good, but imagine reusing them, all right? You can snap them, or they'll stretch and never like give proper clamping pressure. So just think of it like a big, thick rubber band, right? You stretch it once and it stretches and clamps on, and now it's heated up over the years. Okay, now you finally take it off. Now it's not pliable no more. Now you go to reuse it. It's not going to clamp the proper way. And a lot of times they'll snap, or if you do reuse them, you think they're good, you got the torque specs properly, then the engine blows a head gasket or any other kinds of problems. It's just bad practice to use it. All right. Now, like I said, if you're not sure if your engine calls for torque to yield, you got to look in the service manual. It'll usually be TTY. That's what that stands for. And replace them. Even if they're not torque to yield, it's just good to replace the bolts. They could be rusted. They could be stressed from the heat. And, you know, it's just good practice. They're not that much more money. Another way is when you're torquing them, right? Let's say if you did reuse them, all right? As you're torquing them, you're going to feel it. You're going to feel the torque wrench get nice and tight, and all of a sudden, it's going to feel like it's loose, like something happened. That's exactly what happened. It's stretched, and that's it. Now there's not going to be no clamping force. It may feel tight, but if you would go look in here, right, grab the wrench and try to turn it after you thought you torqued it. All right, you grab the wrench and you turn it, and you can actually see that it actually can move. It moves a little bit, so it's not even given the proper torque, and that's just bad to do from the beginning. All right, I thought I'd just make that up. I don't have the new bolts to compare, but I just showed you what two used ones look like. That was so much more stretched. All right, guys, MotorCarNut, please subscribe, hit the like button. Any questions pertaining to the video, please leave them below. I answer all my questions. I try to get everybody, answer everybody's questions and get you guys back on the road. I appreciate all the watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.